Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this car OBD2 splitter. So that's what the package looks like. Just came in the mail. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where I got this from. Check it out, check it out. So, wow. So it's really cool. Plugs into your OBD2 port of your car. So plugs in, and then you can plug in something else on the other end, but you still have another plug. So it's a, what's it called? Is it male to female? Male to two female? It's a splitter essentially. But yeah, I'll have a link in the video description on where I got this from, and have the right description for this. It must be yeah, it's an extension. It's pretty much a splitter. So if you have something plugged in here, I'll have the bouncy that I unboxed in my last video plugged in, and then you can still plug in something else to your OBD2 port. Cool. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.